In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Webflow. If you're new to Webflow, don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps one by one to get your stunning landing page up and running. Let's dive in and discover the world of Webflow together. First, head over to Webflow's website. Webflow is a platform known for its powerful yet user-friendly interface that allows you to design and develop websites visually. Once you're there, look for the option to sign up. There's a button that says it's free, which allows you to create an account without any initial costs. This is a great way to explore Webflow's features without any commitment. Next, you'll need to create an account. You can do this by providing your email and setting up a password, or if it's more convenient, you can also sign up using your Google account. Choose whichever method suits you best. Remember, for security, always use a unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. After signing in, it's time to create a new site. This will be the home of your landing page. You should see an option to create a new site directly from your Webflow dashboard. Select this option and get ready to choose a template. Templates can offer a great starting point, especially if you're not entirely sure about the design you want. Browse through the templates until you find one that resonates with your brand or the message you want to convey with your landing page. When you find a template you like, you can click on free and paid to filter options according to your budget, and then select free to view templates that won't cost you anything. Once you've filtered your options, you'll see different categories you can explore, everything from personal to business layouts. For this example, select the business category to find professional looking templates that are perfect for landing pages. After reviewing your options, click on Select to choose your template. It's important to name your site for easy recognition. Name it something intuitive like landing page so that you can easily identify it in the future. With your site named, proceed to click Create Site. Webflow will set everything up for you using the template you selected, and you'll be taken to the editing environment. Once inside the editor, you can start adding your own content. This is where your creativity shines. You can add elements like form blocks, images, text, and more to effectively convey your message or achieve your marketing goals. The Elements panel offers a variety of options, and you'll find even more by clicking on More Elements. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to make your page live. Head over to the top right and click on Publish. This allows your site to be publicly accessible. You'll then see an option to publish to selected domains. Click this to confirm where your site should appear. Once published, don't forget to close the publication notification window. Your landing page is now live for the world to see. You've successfully created a landing page on Webflow. Feel free to experiment further with Webflow's features and optimize your site for greater success. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newly created landing page.